Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fall is here and you know what that means. Apple season. Nothing says cozy fall more than apples, cinnamon, and warm flavors. Today I'm sharing a super quick and healthy recipe that tastes just like apple pie. For this healthy apple pie yogurt bowl, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. Apples, Greek yogurt, maple syrup, candied maple pecans, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. That's it. Quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious. I'm starting with 2 small apples. If you're using larger apples, 1 or 2 is plenty. First, I slice them, then cut them into bite-sized squares, the perfect size for a spoonful. Next, I add a generous tablespoon of Greek yogurt on top of the apples. Then I drizzle in about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and give it a good mix until everything is nicely coated. Now for the fun part, the toppings. I break apart some candied maple pecans right on top for that sweet crunch and finish it off with a sprinkle of cinnamon. And it smells just like apple pie. And that's it. A quick healthy apple pie bowl that's ready in minutes and perfect for fall. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, healthy, and family-friendly ideas. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.